The man wearing the Derby County driver's jacket here is the secretary of the association, Mr. David Smith. Mr. Smith, what's the idea of the wreath?
Well, the wreath is normally a symbol of sadness, and this is rather a sad occasion for trolleybus enthusiasts, because this bus in front of which we're standing will very shortly take the last ever trip of a trolleybus to Tiger Bay area. You see, last December, the Cardiff city surveyor said that the bridge in Wood Street was unsuitable for trolleybuses because the structure had weakened and trolleybuses are 2 tons heavier than motor buses. But today we've had special permission off Cardiff Corporation to go over these routes for a special farewell trip, and this is what we're doing this afternoon.
Do you mind if we come with you, Mr. Smith?
No, not at all.
Thank you. Mr. Smith, what magic does a trolleybus have that brings you all the way from Wolverhampton to take part in a trip like this?
I think the main point here is that we're not particularly interested in trolleybuses. Most of us are interested in other forms of transport, but we've come here today to see the trolleybuses because they're going.
How many towns, in fact, still have trolleybuses?
There are 16 towns left with trolleybuses, and they operate about 750 vehicles between them.
Why do you think local authorities are so anxious to get rid of their trolleybuses? After all, they've given good service over the years.
Well, they have given good service, but the traffic conditions have, of course, changed in recent years. Every time there's some roadworks crops up, the wires have to be moved, and of course there's a very obvious snag of the poles coming off in the congested town centres.
Would you like to see trolleybuses preserved?
Well, we do in fact already own one from Cardiff Corporation, which we are preserving at Wolverhampton. This is a single decker which used to operate on the Bute Street service down to the docks.
Mr. Smith, thank you very much. Well, in another 5 years there probably won't be any trolleybuses anywhere in Britain. They'll be as obsolete as the coach and horses, the penny farthing and the tram. So perhaps it's not so surprising that these enthusiasts should want to preserve the great era of the trolleybus for as long as possible.